Alright, Clean Team, today's video is sponsored by Jobber, and more specifically I want to talk to you about their grants. They're giving away a total of $150,000 to 25 different home service businesses. Whether you're thinking about starting a business or you're an established business like ourselves, this is a perfect opportunity for you to win some free money that can help launch, grow, or strengthen your business.
24 years ago when I started this company, I started in about $50,000 worth of debt. I bought a van and I bought a truck-mounted extraction system, and I was immediately $50,000 in debt. And that's a lot of money, especially 24 years ago. Back then I could have used that money to grow my business, pay for advertising, get a website up, buy equipment, all kinds of different things. If you're in business or you're trying to grow your business, expand your business, you need equipment for your business, go ahead and apply for the grant. It's free.
I can already think of 1,000 different ways that we could still use that kind of money today. We have vans that we pay for, equipment around the shop always needs to be upgraded, and gas prices are rising steadily. Applications end May 26th, so go ahead, check out the first link in today's description. Even if you don't have a business, be sure to share that first link with your mom, your dad, your cousins, your uncles, your friends, your brothers, sisters, neighbors, your boss, literally everybody.
Thanks again to Jobber for bringing us aboard to present this opportunity to the businesses that watch us. Again, guys, it only takes 5 minutes to apply, and it's free money. It's a grant, not a loan. So go ahead and hit that link in the description below, and let's get started with today's video.
You got the falling camera?
No, what happened?
Oh, I was running too fast.
Alright, good morning, Clean Team. Miles and...
Cayman.
I can't hear you.
Cayman.
We're here with Advanced Cleaning Systems. Ethan is delivering a couple rugs right now. We're here at the shop about to get started cleaning one that is really dirty. It's really bad. You guys just saw how yellow that water was. It was a lot of cat urine in there, so it was mandatory that we put it in the plastic and let it dwell that way. It's been dusted, vacuumed, and everything like that, so now all we have to do is rinse it out real good, use a CRB on it, and just get all that urine out. So let's get it started. first job of the day. We're cleaning some carpet for a new customer that's moving from San Antonio, Texas. Long way from Rome, Georgia. But I'm glad she moved here and we could clean for her. She actually watches the videos and asks that we record for her. I'm using a counter-rotating brush machine upstairs in these two rooms, and we're going to be doing the same downstairs in the master. As you can see, the carpet isn't too soiled, but there is a little smell up here, so that's why I'm using this. Once I'm done, I'm going to let it dwell. Once I'm done, I'm going to let this pre-treatment dwell for about 15 minutes. And then we'll get started with the extraction. And while I'm extracting, I'm going to be running a rinse just to make sure we don't leave behind any residue. The pre-treatment that we use is on the alkaline side of the pH scale, and the rinse is acidic, so that neutralizes it, brings it closer to that neutral state. I guess that's the same thing as saying neutralize, right? But I had to explain it for you guys. My lines are going a little crooked, as you can see, but they sure are looking pretty. The rinse that we're going to be using also has a little bit of a good smell good to it. So that's another reason that I'm going to run it. It'll probably help up here. We're going to just get a good slow rinse on it. Make sure our customer is satisfied. She's also going to be getting protection upstairs in these two rooms. This is where her children are going to be. I recommended it to her just because this carpet looks fairly new, and once we get done with the cleaning, it's going to be looking beautiful. It's going to smell good, and she's going to want to keep it looking like this. So that's why protection was beneficial to her. Look at how beautiful this is, clean team. Ethan with the sharp lines. I see you, I see you. Looking real nice. Getting a good rinse on there. We got our rinse turned up on the machine. Everything is cleaning up beautifully. Now this part right here isn't super satisfying, but wait until you start making the lines. Moment of truth right here. Look at how good the suction is. Not much water being pulled up. Go slow when you come back. Say it. Just beautiful. How does that look, Ethan? Just beautiful. All right, so what I'm doing right now is just getting a good little workout in. No, I'm just kidding. I'm breaking in that protection, getting it evenly across all the fibers, and also giving you guys a little bit more ASMR. Look at how beautiful. On to the next. All right, Clean Team, we're here on the last job finally. It is 4:50 in the afternoon, but thankfully we have a pretty easy job. We're kind of cleaning backwards. We're not going to be cleaning out the door like we usually do. We're actually going out of the window. Let's start in this room right here, and I'll just show you around. Right here, almost in the middle of the room, we got a huge spot right there, but it looks like as I kick at it, you know, give it the Nike shuffle, it just, it's lightening up a little bit, so it just needs to be extracted and rinsed out really well. But that's all for this room. It's got another spot right here, and the walk-in closet, we're at $75 a room. So we have 2 rooms, a walk-in closet, that's $185. It's not gonna take us too long. Longest part of the cleaning is always the setup. It took us about 30 minutes, I think, to set everything up. But in here is like the worst area. We got a spot right here. Looks like it might just been some coffee. And then over here in this area also. Now that is what you call a dirty water dump. Let me know what you guys thought about that down in the comment section below, Clean Team. But also let me know what your favorite part of today's video was. Mine was definitely opening up the dirty, stinky, putrid, smelly. That's all the same thing. Although I didn't like the smell, it was really fun cleaning it, as always. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on my future uploads. Thanks for watching once again, and I'll see you guys in the next one.